Now, here's how you can know distance in Google Maps. So there are a few ways how you can do this. Obviously, I would recommend you to get the Google Maps application, so make sure you have it downloaded. And before we get started, make sure you also subscribe to this channel so you'll never miss videos like these. Anyways, you open up the map like this, and I'm gonna just quickly turn off my location services just so you don't see where I am. So now when I'm coming back, I can choose any random location on the map. And in order to see the distance, I need to know distance between the two places, right? So at first, I'm going to choose pretty much anything I'm interested in. So let's say this is going to be the first point. And in order to see the distance from this spot on the map to another one, what I can do is swipe up on it and essentially get to the place where you can measure the distance, right? So it is usually something which isn't like marked on a map as like a major tourist attraction, but usually a place on a map. So you can hold down on this and usually you get the measure distance button right away. But as you can notice, when I click on like a major tourist attraction, it doesn't give me the option to measure distance. It is probably to make the app a little bit more intuitive. But yeah, when you have a pin like this, you can start with this. So when you essentially click on measure distance, you have this original point on the map, but you also have another one which you can move around. You can zoom out on the map, you can move around and find any place you want to get to, and you can see pretty much in real time that these points are like 500 meters apart, and you can see that you can zoom in. It doesn't give you the exact numbers, but it's like it's just an estimate, so it just like rounds it up. But this is one of the ways how we can measure distance. The other way how we can do this is by simply coming back, and also perhaps you want to choose one random point on the map, right? Again, I'm going to just hold down and make the pin pop up. But instead of measuring distance, I'm going to click on the directions, and then I'm going to choose the starting point on a map. So let's say I want to choose or see the distance between like these random places. I'm going to click on OK. And now it is telling me that it is 1.9 kilometers apart. It's going to take me 26 minutes. Obviously when I switch to the driving mode, it's going to tell me the distance for, when I want to just drive there. So now it's 2.6 kilometers. So sometimes this is a lot more useful than just seeing how far away these like locations are on a map. So yeah, that's just how it works. So hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe below to this channel, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.